For more than 100 years, Cummins has been the go-to for powering your business because we know engines better than anyone. And now, with PrevenTech, we're going deep on proprietary data and insights for Cummins engines to make your fleet smarter, greener, and safer. Ask Julia, a maintenance manager responsible for a fleet of 20 trucks on a surface mine. PrevenTech's early warning alert lets her get ahead of problems before they arise, like this one, unique to PrevenTech, spotting a change in key engine parameters before a fault code pops up. Repairing the engine now will take just 2 to 4 hours rather than days. This allows Julia to dodge both unplanned downtime and safety hazards in the field. PrevenTech opens up entirely new windows for your mining fleet, with features like health monitors and rank notifications that enable you to boost uptime and optimize maintenance schedules, ensuring the right parts are on hand, so your machine gets back to work before you head home. Like what you see? This is only the start. Learn more about what's next and help us power the future together for the next 100 years.